For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I started researching the Hamilton Beach Personal. It's a powerhouse of a product that can multitask like crazy. Therefore, if you're tired of cluttering your countertops with separate appliances for every task, this thing is about to change your life. Are you one of those people who always seems to be juggling multiple kitchen tasks at once? Maybe you're whipping up dinner while also making breakfast in a toaster oven or brewing coffee on the stovetop. Newsflash, it's time to rethink that game changer because this one product can do it all and then some. You see, most of us know what we want from our small kitchen appliances, but let's face it, they usually fall short in one department or another. But Hamilton Beach Personal is a standout performer, capable of taking on anything you throw at it with its impressive feature list. So, here are the 3 things you need to know about this beast of an appliance. Number 1, power and versatility. This thing has got more than enough juice to get any job done, from blending smoothies to making toast or even brewing coffee, yes, really. With 7 speed settings and a powerful 12-amp motor, the Hamilton Beach Personal is not just a space-saving workhorse, but also one that will keep up with your most demanding tasks. But what truly sets it apart is its incredible range of attachments and accessories that make it an extension of your own creativity in the kitchen. From a built-in timer to various food prep tools like a stainless steel cutting board and a non-stick kneading blade, you'll be spoiled for choice when it comes to tackling even the most intricate recipes. But don't just take my word for it. I dug up some fantastic customer testimonials that highlight just how versatile this appliance can be. One user raved about using it to make homemade pasta dough, while another gushed over its performance in whipping up large batches of mashed potatoes. That's when I knew I had stumbled upon something special. Therefore, let's dive into the details and see what makes this product tick. What are its key features? Are there any drawbacks to consider? And most importantly, is it worth the investment? Number 2, convenience features galore. This is where things get really interesting because Hamilton Beach Personal checks every box when it comes to convenient design elements that make your life easier in the kitchen. Take, for instance, its sleek and compact footprint that makes it perfect for tiny kitchens or even as a desk appliance. Yes, you read that right. Because of its 14:12 x 8:14" dimensions, this thing won't take up too much precious real estate on your countertop. And with the built-in timer and automatic shutoff feature, you can walk away confident that it'll do its job without wasting a drop of energy. But don't even get me started on the sheer array of convenience accessories included in the box. We're talking about things like a dishwasher-safe pitcher for easy cleanup, a handy storage container for all your attachments and accessories, and even a comprehensive user manual to guide you through every step of the way. Talk about peace of mind. Number 3, ease of cleaning. Because let's face it, no one likes spending their precious time scrubbing away at dirty appliances. That's why Hamilton Beach Personal has got this covered with its thoughtfully designed cleaning system. First off, there are no crevices or tight spaces to clean around because the entire unit is made from a single piece of durable plastic that wipes down in seconds. But what really gets me excited is the inclusion of 2 dishwasher-safe parts, namely the pitcher and the kneading blade. It's like Hamilton Beach knew exactly how much time we want to spend on these tasks, so they simplified it for us. Now that I've spilled all the beans about this incredible appliance, it's your turn. Are you ready to join the ranks of satisfied customers who swear by its unbeatable combination of power and convenience? Trust me when I say once you experience what it can do, there's no going back. And before you click away, remember that for the best price on Amazon, simply head over to the link in the description. In conclusion, if you're still on the fence about getting your hands on this incredible kitchen workhorse, let me pose a question. What's holding you back? Is it perhaps the fear of taking up too much space or not having enough attachments and accessories? Well, let me put those fears to rest, because with Hamilton Beach Personal, you truly have nothing to lose. This is an investment that will not only save you time, but also open doors to a world of creative possibilities in your kitchen. That being said, I want to see what's cooking in your kitchens. Share your experiences and photos with this amazing appliance below in the comments. Who knows, you might just inspire someone else to join the Hamilton Beach Personal revolution.